Alright, maybe I won't get in trouble for this. Or wrecking with loose gravel, damn it. Or get a flat. We'll see. I need to hide the damn bike somewhere. This may be a good place. Oh, that damn gold on the bike stands out like a sore thumb. Should have got a green bike. Now, I have not seen any no trespassing signs, so as far as I know, we're good. This right here is old coal tower. Some people call it coal tower house. I want to say it was built, it was in the 1920's, I believe. But it was pretty cool. Supposedly, this guy's still got the roof on it. There's another one in the county. Roof's gone and it's smaller than this. But the old steam trains, this is where they load up on coal. Let's get a couple photographs of this. Alrighty. I should have just drove all the way up here. It'd have been better. Then my bike would have been hidden. Damn graffiti. Yeah, so take it, they probably had a side track here come through here. Look like a homeless encampment. Yeah, okay, here's the date on that one. 1926. So there you go. You have to be a brave son of a bitch to climb that rope. Or a dumbass. There's another building.
Okay, this railroad coaling tower is in Raymond, Georgia. It's part of the old Central of Georgia Railroad, which is pretty much abandoned now. These tracks run to Sonoa, but they're pretty much abandoned. They send a train down once a month or so with like a couple cars just to say it's not abandoned, but in Sonoa it actually ends and it can't go any further. The track's still there, but they're unusable. So Raymond, Georgia is a pretty important junction between two sea of G lines from the south. The line from Columbus joined the line from Griffin and Macon here. There was a small depot and small yard line here, and the steam locomotives could take coal on from here. From the junction, the railroad moved north to Rome and Chattanooga. The Central kind of disappeared pretty early, and the coaling tower has sat in use since the late 40s or very early 50s. One of my secrets to finding all this old stuff, abandoned buildings and stuff, is look at the old maps where the old railroads were but are no longer existent. Sometimes the tracks are not even there. But wherever the old railroads were, and now they're not, is usually abandoned cities and communities that just couldn't support itself after the railroad disappeared. And I'm not a big fan of graffiti, but for some reason, this little graffiti right here kind of hit me. I really do like this one.
Check out this old building while we're here. Didn't know this was here either. Tell you what, let's just check out this road. That's cool as hell. Isn't that cool looking? I don't think nobody lives here. Fuck. Huh. The AC's running. Yeah. Somebody's living here. Let's get out of here. Probably the homeless guy from down there. That's a cool little building though. Yeah, the AC's running. I ain't gonna stick around too long. So I got a new thing on Wednesday evenings. My son got to go to this aviation deal where he's learning work on planes, and he actually gets hours to fly for however many hours he works on the airplane. So he could get his airframe and power plant license and a pilot's license out of this deal. So it's a pretty good deal. Anyway, he's not old enough to drive yet. So I've been going down there just goofing off because it's too far to drive back home. I could, but I only have about 30-40 minutes at home. I have to drive back, so the price of gas. So I've been taking this little, well, I did it yesterday, first time. Took the little Z125 in the back of the truck. Go down there, drop my son off, unload my bike, and it's in a real rural part of Georgia. So I've been just, well, starting last night, we just rode around the county and got into a lot of cool adventures. So a lot of historical places like I like. So I have a video, but the sound's going to be messed up because I forgot my mic adapter. This GoPro here, we're about 50-50 on it not working right and me not working it right, and this was a case of me screwing up this time. So I might just do a voiceover talking what I'm looking at and seeing, because it was fun. And I had a adventure. My paved road ended on me unabruptly. I don't know how that's going to come out on the video, but it was quite scary for me. Popped over a hill and went from really nice pavement to a dirt road. That was a lot of fun. But every Wednesday I'm going to start doing that. I need to put more miles on my bikes. I enjoy riding. I just gotta make time for it.